Is your laptop screen looking a bit lackluster, and you want to boost the visuals? Today, we're diving into your laptop's Nvidia Control Panel to unlock its display settings. First, locate the Nvidia Control Panel icon. It's usually in your system tray, on your desktop, or accessible through the Windows search bar by typing Nvidia Control Panel. If you can't find it, search your computer for Nvidia Control Panel in the Windows search bar and open it. This is your gateway to display customization. Once the control panel opens, look to the left side of the window and click on Display. This will reveal key display-related options. You'll see choices like Adjust Desktop Size and Position, which is where you can modify how your content is displayed on the screen. Adjust Color Settings allows you to tweak brightness, contrast, and other visual aspects. However, click on Change Resolution to start with the basics. Within Change Resolution, ensure your desired monitor, most likely your laptop's built-in display, is selected. Then, use the drop-down menu to choose your preferred resolution. Often, your laptop's highest resolution is the best, but feel free to experiment. After selecting your resolution, check the refresh rate. A higher refresh rate results in smoother visuals. Again, select the highest option supported by your laptop if you can. Going back to the display settings, the Adjust Desktop Color Settings is a great next step here. You can fine-tune the color, brightness, contrast, and gamma to your liking for optimal visual comfort. Don't forget to click Apply after making any changes to save those settings. Congrats! You've successfully optimized your laptop's display settings in the Nvidia Control Panel. Go enjoy your enhanced viewing experience.